Hello, sir. Welcome to Casing Notebook. Sit down, please. What's your problem, sir? Can I help you?
Yeah, hey, so I dropped my laptop and got broken. Can you fix it?
Oh, your laptop things totally damaged.
Yeah,
That is dangerous. Yes, I can fix it.
you can fix it?
Yes.
Great news. So how long is it gonna take?
About 2 or 3 days.
That should be done with it.
Ini before, ini after, before, after, before, after. Oh, hi! Welcome back, sir. Have a seat. Here is your brand new fixed laptop.
No way. No way. It looks so brand new.
Wow, it looks professional.
Of course, we are professional.
Wow, I'm really impressed. Thank you very much.